So let's talk about a graph. We can have many different kinds of graphs, right? These are graphs. Right? This is a line graph, I think.
Yes,
This
yes.
is a bar graph, right? Bar. This is a bar. And this is a line. So a bar graph. Yeah. Yeah, bar is kind of this shape. Like you can have a bar of soap. You can have a bar of chocolate. Right? A bar. A bar.
Cheese.
Huh? A bar of cheese?
Yeah.
Sure, yes. Yeah, so this is kind of a bar, kind of like this. An eraser bar, yes. Your battery, right? Your battery on your cell phone. You have bars here. Yeah, we call them bars also. Okay, so the bar graph. What is the bar graph about?
Workplace.
Yes,
For every 100 workers in 2015.
Yes, injuries, yes, workplace injuries, right? For every 100 workers in 2015, yes, or 2015. Okay, so we have for every 100 workers, this is